So while I was over living in Spain, I had quite a few people living with me once in a while that were horrible at cleaning these. They try to clean them with expensive chemicals with no luck, and they would try to clean them with just regular sponge, but of course once it's cooked on really, really bad. So what you need is you need some steel wool. You can buy this at just about any grocery store or home store or any of that type of stuff. So you're going to get it wet, and what you're going to do is you're just going to start scraping. And as you're scraping, you'll notice that the results are pretty quick on some, whereas some spots, I don't know if I can see that spot, it does not want to come off. So you're just going to have to scrape it. Now, I'm going to let you see how dirty that is. It's not actually terrible. It's pretty dirty though. And I'm going to clean it now. But I'm going to speed up the process when I'm editing the video. Okay, so as you can now see, it on the camera it looks like it's clean, but it's not, except for like that white dot. But now everything is liquefied on top of it. So this is when you need to get a sponge without soap in it so that you can wipe it down. And you can just see how I'm wiping across it. So I'm trying to take off all the junk. So as you can see on the sponge, it's pretty dirty now. So I'm just going to keep going over it a little more. And you can see that I'm going to rinse the sponge now. Okay, now that I've rinsed the sponge again, I'm going to go over it again. And I'm just going to do that basically until I have all the junk off of it, which is not actually taking that long this time, because as you can see, sponge is clean. So that means that it's now clean. And it takes really little effort. You don't have to buy expensive chemicals. I know that you can go to the store and buy special chemicals to clean stovetops like this, but those expensive chemicals are a waste. You can go buy that steel wool, honestly, from a dollar store, and it'll be perfectly good to use. And you can get a clean top like this. It's all perfectly clean now. And I know some people, they might want to use maybe disinfectant to clean it off, but as far as I'm concerned, you don't need to do that, because the heat on the actual plates will kill any bacteria, anything on there. And of course, you're not actually cooking food directly on this, but again, the heat will kill any bacteria off of it. But if you so wish, use an antibacterial wipe or soap to clean it off. But as far as I'm concerned, just steel wool over it, and that'll get rid of all the baked on junk, and then you will be able to just wipe it off with a regular sponge.